welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm doing my very famous Filipino spaghetti, so hope you watch till the end. So first thing, we're gonna boil in some water, and then we're gonna add in a tablespoon of oil and a tablespoon of salt. Before you put in your pasta, make sure it is boiling. So just drop in the pasta, let it boil until everything sinks in, until it goes soft. Now once you think it is cooked enough, you can drain it, or before I drain it, I actually take out like good for a cup and a half of the water from the pasta, so we can use that one for later in our sauce. So make sure you turn that off so it's not really keep boiling. Then we're going to drain our pasta and put that aside. So it's up to you if you want to do the sauce first or the pasta first. It's really up to how you do it, as long as the end both combine together. In this part, we are starting with our spaghetti sauce. So first we're going to need a tablespoon of butter, and then we will be adding our garlic, minced garlic, and our minced onions. Then just stir it all in until it's going to be cooked, or can add in another tablespoon of butter so you have that buttery salty taste. Saute the minced garlic and minced onion for a few minutes until it is lightly brown, and then we will be putting in our minced beef. You can use pork, but because I don't eat pork, so I have minced beef. Once the minced garlic and the minced onions turn a little bit brownish, then we add in our beef. So you can have pork instead of beef. My preference is beef because I can't eat pork. So, and just stir it all in, mix it all together until it's all combined with the onion. And then we are going to be adding garlic powder, just to have that garlicky smell and taste, as well as we're going to add in cracked pepper and powdered pepper or ground pepper, and as well as chicken salt. I don't use salt, but chicken salt to give it more flavor. After adding all of those flavoring in and spices, just mix it all together until all combined. Then we are going to simmer that for 5 to 10 minutes on medium-low heat. So it's not going to burn the bottom of it. So for sure there will be juices coming out which will cook it, and a bit of oil on it as well. So let that simmer. So after 5 to 10 minutes of simmering, this is how it's going to look like. All of the juices will come out, which is actually cooking the minced meat. Just make sure you are stirring it all around so it evenly gets cooked. And then we are going to taste that first, just to make sure that it's not too salty. Next, we will add in our Filipino sweet spaghetti sauce all in, and then we're going to stir that and make sure it's combined. And then once that's all combined, we're gonna add in our banana ketchup or banana sauce. So this is hard to find in just local shops. You'll normally find them in Asian shops. So mix that one in and give it a stir. Once that is all combined, we are going to be adding in the pasta water that we used before. So maybe just a cup add in, and then we're going to mix it all together in. And then we're going to simmer this one for 25 minutes on very low heat. Because if you don't put it in low heat, chances are it's going to stick to the bottom. So after 25 minutes, it should be bubbling up right now like that. And then we are going to add in our cocktail hot dogs, sliced sideways, if you get what I mean. You can slice it the right way, but I do it sideways to slice so it's more longer. And then we're going to stir it all together. And then add in our cocktail frankfurts or cocktail hot dogs. Stir that in and let it simmer for another 5 minutes until it's nicely cooked. And then after that, we're going to be adding in our cheddar cheese so that it gives the consistency a little bit more stickier, if that makes sense, and a bit more tasteful. Give that a good stir until everything's nicely combined, and then turn off the heat, and it's ready for plating. Ta-da! There you go, guys. This is my version of Jollibee spaghetti. I hope you will give this a try. It's really worth it. Everybody been telling me it's just like Jollibee. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!